Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this juicy, flavorful grilled chicken quarters right at home. This chicken is well seasoned, tender, and packed with bold flavors. Trust me, you're going to love it. So let's dive right in. I have my chicken quarters here. I'm going to wash them thoroughly using water, vinegar, and lemon. This helps clean the chicken really well. Now, to get that smoky flavor, the key factor is the heat. If it's too high, the outside can burn before the inside is fully cooked. So today, I will be using a technique that ensures cooking, so you don't have to worry about unevenly cooked chicken. To achieve that, I'm using a combination of indirect heat and smoke, which only helps in cooking the chicken evenly, but also infuse it with that incredible smoky flavor. Once that is done, I'll go ahead and pat the chicken dry. Next, I'm going to make small cuts in the chicken, or you can poke holes. It's up to you. This step is very important because it helps the seasoning go deep into the chicken, making every bite flavorful. To season the chicken, I added some Jamaican jerk seasoning powder with sliced onion, Suya seasoning. You can get that in any African grocery store near you. I went ahead to add in Adobo seasoning, to that, I'm adding melted butter. This gives it that rich, juicy flavor. And lastly, I'm going to add in some fresh thyme. And that's it. Very simple seasonings. If you don't have all these seasonings available, you can use what you have and it will come out perfect and delicious. Trust me. Now, I'm going to massage everything really well into the chicken. To give it a little extra kick, I'm adding some cayenne pepper. I'll go ahead and mix everything thoroughly so the chicken is fully coated. If you don't have the time, you can just go ahead and start grilling the chicken. But I'm going to let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Or if you have the time, you can marinate it overnight. Now, for those who don't have the grill, you can do it in your air fryer for 25 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees and you're good to go. 30 minutes later, I'm going to place my chicken on the grill and allow the grill do its magic. We'll be flipping and basting the chicken periodically to ensure it stays moist and develops that beautiful smoky flavor. It took me about 30 minutes on both sides. It's so juicy, trust me, you're going to love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.